Hi, wanna know how to use Sketch to Image on your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE? So, as a first step, we would need to open Gallery and then select one photo where you would like to use this feature. Then click on it to see the menu and click on this icon with some stars on it. Here you'll get to the editor menu and we would need to choose this icon which is named Sketch to Image. Here as a next step we would need to draw anything that we would like to generate in the image. I got this cute teddy bear right here and I want to draw him a crown, so let's do it like this, and after this click on this button generate. Now we would need to wait a little while until AI will generate some options for us. And this is the results. If we will swipe to the left, we can see the original, and swipe to the right, we can see 4 options from the AI. We can see here different crowns and even this cute cap. I like this one the most. And now when you have chosen the best option from 4, click on this button Save Copy and click OK. And this is it. We have successfully drawn this cute head to this teddy bear, and this is really fun feature. You can kill some time by just drawing things on your photos. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.